Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as set contract storage. In smart contracts, it's crucial to control how and when contract storage is modified. The set contract storage issue occurs when a smart contract allows unauthorized users to modify its storage. This can lead to significant security risks, including unauthorized changes to critical contract data. Here's an example where this issue appears. Notice how the increment function allows any user to increment the internal counter for the address of another user without proper authorization. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run cargo scout audit. The warning related to set contract storage appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we need to ensure that only authorized users can modify the storage. In this particular example, we could require that authorization be given by the user whose count is being incremented. Here's how the remediated code looks, with proper authorization checks in place. In other cases where a parameter other than the address is used as a key to set the storage, it is important to ensure that only admins or authorized users can access this function, since any part of the storage could potentially be modified. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to implement strict access control for functions that modify contract storage. Always ensure proper authorization checks are in place. Using Scout during your development process can help identify and fix these issues promptly. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.